Oh, hey everyone, and welcome back to Making Money on the Net. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is absolutely crucial for anyone serious about building a long-term, sustainable online business. We're talking about how to build an email list that actually makes you money. Forget the vanity metrics. We're focused on creating a real, tangible asset that generates income month after month. So, why is an email list so powerful? Unlike social media platforms where algorithms can change overnight and your reach can disappear, your email list is something you own. It's a direct line of communication to your most engaged audience, your potential customers, and your biggest fans. It's the bedrock of a scalable online business. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, or a coach. Ready to learn how to build this money-making machine from scratch? Let's get started. The first step, and the most important one, is attracting the right people. You don't just want anyone on your list. You want high-quality subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. The key to this is creating an irresistible lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free piece of value you give away in exchange for an email address. This could be a detailed PDF guide, a checklist, a mini-course, a free template, or a discount code. The trick is to make your lead magnet solve a specific problem for your ideal audience. For example, if you're a fitness coach targeting busy professionals, your lead magnet could be the 15-minute workout for a stronger core. If you're a finance blogger, it could be a beginner's guide to investing in stocks. The more specific and valuable your lead magnet is, the more likely people are to sign up. Think about a pain point your audience has and create a quick, effective solution for it. Warns, you have your amazing lead magnet. You need to promote it. This is where your existing platforms come into play. You need to create compelling opt-in forms and place them strategically on your website or blog. Think about putting them in your header, your sidebar, at the end of your blog posts, and even as a pot. Tools like ConvertKit, MailerLite, or ActiveCampaign make this incredibly easy. You should also be promoting your lead magnet across all your social media channels. Create posts, stories, and even short videos talking about the benefits of your freebie. Don't just say, sign up for my newsletter. Instead, say, get my free guide on how to double your productivity in just 1 week. You're selling the benefit, not the action. This simple shift in language can make a huge difference in your conversion rates. Now, once someone signs up, the real magic begins. This is where email automation and funnels come into play. You can't just collect emails and then ghost your subscribers. You need to nurture that relationship. The best way to do this is with an automated welcome sequence. A welcome sequence is a series of pre-written emails that are automatically sent to every new subscriber. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Your first email should arrive instantly. Thank them for subscribing, deliver the lead magnet they signed up for, and briefly introduce yourself and what they can expect from your emails. The following emails in your sequence should continue to provide value. Share your best content, tell your story, and help them get a quick win. For example, if your lead magnet was a workout guide, your next email could share a healthy recipe or tips for staying motivated. The goal of this sequence is to build trust and establish your authority. You want your new subscribers to look forward to hearing from you. After the welcome sequence, you should continue sending regular, valuable emails, maybe once a week, to stay top of mind. So you've got subscribers and you're nurturing the relationship. Now, let's talk about the parts you've been waiting for. How to actually make money from your email list. There are 3 primary ways to monetize your audience, and they can all work together. The first method is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You simply recommend products or services that you genuinely use and love. And you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The key here is authenticity. Only promote products that align with your brand and that you know will benefit your audience. If you break their trust by promoting something sketchy, you'll lose them forever. Weave these recommendations naturally into your value-packed emails. For example, if you're a photographer, you could write an email about your favorite editing software and include your affiliate link. The second monetization strategy is selling your own digital products. This is where you can achieve true passive income. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, templates, workshops, or premium content. Since you've already built trust and authority with your list, they are far more likely to buy from you than from a stranger. You've already proven your value. When you're ready to launch a digital product, your email list is your launchpad. You can warm them up to the idea, give them exclusive sneak peeks, and even offer them a special early bird discount. Your list becomes your group of VIPs, and they'll be the first to support your new venture. This is a powerful way to generate significant revenue. The third method is selling services or high-ticket offers. If you're a coach, consultant, freelancer, or service provider, your email list is your primary source of clients. You can use your emails to showcase your expertise, share case studies and testimonials, and invite subscribers to book a consultation, call, or apply to work with you. Because they've been following you and learning from you, they're already pre-qualified and warmed up. This makes the sales process so much smoother and more effective than cold outreach. To make all of this work, you need to understand the concept of a high-converting offer. An offer isn't just the product. It's the entire package, too, about communicating the transformation your customer will experience. Your offer should clearly state the problem it solves, the benefits it provides, and why it's the best solution for them right now. You can increase conversions by adding things like bonuses, a money-back guarantee to reduce risk, and a sense of urgency or scarcity, like a limited-time offer or a limited number of spots available. Let's recap the entire process. First, you attract high-quality subscribers with an irresistible, problem-solving lead magnet. Second, you promote that lead magnet on your website and social media to drive sign-ups. Third, you build a relationship and establish trust with an automated welcome sequence and regular, valuable emails. And finally, you monetize your engaged audience through a mix of affiliate marketing, your own digital products, and high-ticket services, all presented as high-converting offers. Building an email list that makes money is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, consistency, and a genuine desire to serve your audience. But the rewards are incredible. You're not just building an income stream. You're building a community, a brand, and a long-term, scalable business asset that you control. Start today, even if it's just by creating your first simple lead magnet. The future you will be so grateful you did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide super helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest takeaway was. I'll see you in the next video.